Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. Just before I start today's video, some fantastic news. I'm now officially on Instagram, would you believe it, with my name stocktrader_max. Now this is a page I created just yesterday, so I don't have too much content on there, but definitely go and give me a follow if you want to see some motivational content. This is a page where I'll be posting my travels and just my day-to-day life as a investor. So I would really appreciate your follow, guys. That'd be really kind. As well as that, for those who are wanting to join my signal service, dailymarketmovements.com, I charge a very small fee of $29.99, and that's for a monthly subscription. And you can find that website link in the description of today's video. But let's look at the crude oil markets. Crude oil has bounced back nicely. This is a movement that I have fully anticipated since the beginning of this week. Hence, I drew these arrows, I think, on Monday and Tuesday, where we got rejected up at around $115. I think I myself and my signal team, I sent out a signal at the beginning of this week with a sell here for crude oil at $114.50 a barrel, with a take profit initially down at $104. We didn't quite get that far at 105, but I was happy with profits to be taken at around 107. So that's where we took it. We gained around 6% here on the crude oil market. So it's a fantastic trade. Once again, for those who missed yesterday's video, congratulations to everyone who was in my signal team for that trade. But you know, again, this is a typical movement that we see in the markets. I was just explaining this on the gold markets, where we got a break below this wedge, which was the previous uptrend, and then we go and retest it as the new roof in this market, and then we'll typically get rejected there, and then we'll see a move even further towards the downside. And that's exactly what I'm anticipating here for the crude oil markets. We've broken out of this roof, we've gone and met the next area of resistance, and what's happened, we've been rejected just like we did in the gold markets, and we've now gone and retested the previous resistance in this market, which of course was the upper side of this wedge, as the new support. And guess what? We've bounced. So what does this mean for the crude oil prices? I think that we definitely go to around $115, $116 a barrel going into next week. And the big question, guys, is do we break above $116 a barrel? If so, then I think we go to the next fib area, which is up at $121. But if we were to get rejected, then I think that sends us all the way back down towards a 50-day EMA, which is at $104 a barrel. So this is a market where I anticipate there to be a fantastic money-making opportunity, especially going into next week. It's a market which I'm going to keep my eyes on, and if you have got some spare time over the weekend, go and give my Instagram a follow, and of course go and sign up to my signal group, because just like this week, we are going to have some fantastic money-making trades going into next week.